With each release of a new flagship design, DOOGEE continues to raise the bar for numerous companies in the rugged phone sector. The attention to detail and precision engineering that goes into each device is unparalleled, offering users an exceptional experience that is both durable, reliable, but most importantly, affordable. DOOGEE's dedication to providing high quality and high performance devices has cemented its position as a leader in the rugged phone market, and they hope their new rugged V30 Pro will be a great option too. This is the DOOGEE V30 Pro. The latest V30 phone now offers features that were previously found on premium options, but at a much more affordable price. The phone is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers as it meets the requirements of rugged phones. It is designed to comply with IP68, IP69K, and MIL STD 810H standards, which basically means it can withstand dust and water, including full submersion for limited periods and shallow depths. With that said, let's unbox this guy and see what we're getting. Like with most modern phones nowadays, you really don't get much in the box. You get the handset, SIM tray removal tool, charger, and a Type-C cable along with your basic user manual. The DOOGEE V30 Pro has a unique design that is due to its massive battery capacity, which makes it look like a brick. The device has a circular camera module that gives it an aesthetic appearance on the back, and since it is a rugged smartphone, it is expected to be pretty bulky. And trust me, it is, weighing just over 376 grams with a thickness of 18.3mm at its widest point and a footprint of 177 by 80mm. This is by no means a small lightweight handset. However, with that said, I am confident in its build quality. It is made to last and withstand the rigors of daily life. To make it look more elegant than your average rugged handset, DOOGEE covers the left and right edges of the device in a wood grain effect material, while the rear face of the handset has a PU leather backing. Now, although this doesn't feel luxurious, it certainly looks it. The right hand side of the device features the volume rocker and the power button, which doubles as a fingerprint scanner for biometric security. The V30 Pro features a 6.58-inch Full HD 120Hz IPS water drop style display with a resolution of 2408 by 1080p. The screen delivers stunning visuals and vibrant colours, which brings everyday use to life with exceptional clarity and depth. General usage of the device on a daily basis is enjoyable as the display allows for a sharp viewing of HD content. To be honest, considering the price point, the quality of the display is quite impressive. Thankfully, it doesn't stop there though, as the V30 Pro comes with 512GB of internal storage and 12GB of RAM. This means you'll have ample of storage to store all your files and media. Plus, if that still isn't enough, there is a microSD card slot to expand that further. The phone does run Android 13 and is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset, which uses a 6nm process. This chipset ensures smooth and efficient performance, which is ideal for heavy usage, believe it or not. When you pair that with its octa-core processor that consists of two 2.6GHz Cortex A78s and 6 slots of 2.0GHz Cortex A55s, as well as a Mali G68 MC4 GPU, these kind of configurations can handle even the most demanding of tasks. Whether it's streaming videos or playing video games, this phone is perfect for those who lead a busy lifestyle, and that really is the aim here, to provide a portable powerhouse. When it comes to gaming, the V30 Pro offers exceptional performance for demanding titles like Call of Duty and Fortnite. The dynamic video rendering provides improved graphics quality without any display lag, and along with the higher FPS rate, the exceptional performance gives gaming sessions a significant boost. The Hyper Engine by MediaTek is an added advantage. It makes gaming even smoother with its 5G HSR mode, offering up a powerful performance. Now, when it comes to the camera setup, well, with a 200MP sensor that captures intricate details in photographs, it's okay. Although having a higher megapixel camera seems attractive, the camera app only provides above average results. Additionally, the phone may not offer many filters or customizational options while actually capturing images or videos, but nonetheless, it's still one of the best equipped phones with a decent camera setup in this price point. However, photos taken with the phone, they're decent, but they're average in clarity and may not be suitable for professional use or if you have a keen interest in photography. This simply isn't the phone for that. However, for those looking for a casual picture taking option, this phone can still be a great choice as long as the camera quality isn't a top concern. It is capable of recording videos in 4K at 30 frames per second and 1080p at 30 frames per second as well, which is somewhat quite impressive. However, once again, it is worth noting that the videos, well, they're not that great. They come out choppy in an overall fluidity and sharpness, and that is something to keep in mind if you're looking for a smartphone camera that can capture smooth and high quality videos, because this just isn't it. Despite that, the phone comes with a battery configuration of 10,800 milliamps and a 33-watt fast charging system, making it an improved version over its predecessor. With a single charge, users can enjoy over 12 hours of screen time, which is twice as much as what most smartphones offer nowadays. With that 33-watt wired charging, we can get a full charge in less than 3 hours on average. This device actually also supports reverse charging capabilities, allowing it to function as a power bank and further utilize this phone to its full potential. This particular model boasts a highly sought after NFC capability feature which allows for seamless transactions using Google Play. You can easily make payments, transfer data, or even connect to other NFC enabled devices without the need for cables or complicated pairing processes. And by today's standards, this is certainly a must-have. The device is equipped with a diverse range of sensors that enhance its functionality. Among these sensors, you'll find a side-mounted fingerprint one that provides an additional layer of security to the device. Additionally, the device has an accelerometer that detects its movement and orientation, a gyro that helps to maintain a device's orientation too, a proximity sensor that detects the presence of nearby objects, and a compass that provides additional information. These sensors work hand in hand together to provide an optimal user experience for outdoor usage. All in all, the DOOGEE V30 Pro is an upgraded version of the V30, there's no doubt about that. And overall, it has a much better hardware configuration and a much bigger battery. If you're on the market for a durable and reliable smartphone that can handle your everyday activities, then a DOOGEE V30 Pro is an excellent choice. This flagship level armoured smartphone is built to last. With powerful specs, spacious storage, and a rugged design, it is set to be a game changer this year. With that said, be sure to check this product out in the link in the description. Let me know what you think, and as always, till next time.